Hello, my name is Steve Chabra with the Colonial Williamsburg Foundation, and I would like to give you a tour of our windmill. Colonial Williamsburg's windmill was originally built in 1957, and it is a grist mill designed to grind corn. The mill is powered by the wind. Canvas would be woven in and out of the sail frames. There's 4 of them on each of these arms to power the wind shaft, which is that big timber in the middle. You need a 15-mile-an-hour wind to power this mill. As we get closer, you can see the trestle underneath. The trestle supports the weight of the mill. The great post is the timber in the middle, and that supports the mill and allows it to be turned into the wind. This rope is important. It's the rope that controls the brake. It allows the mill to start and stop. To turn the mill into the wind, you use the tail pole, which is this timber that comes out the back of the mill, and lift the stairs off of it and push the whole mill body into the direction the wind is coming from. Go up the ladder so you can see the inside of the mill. See the great post coming up through the floor. Where it supports the crown tree that goes across the mill and supports the entire weight of the mill. This is the sifter. This is where the flour that would come through the spout would be separated and sifted and collected into barrels and bags and prepared for market. This arm here controls the distance between the stones. And allows for coarser or finer flour. We will now go up to the mill floor by taking this ladder up to the stone floor. This is where you'll find the millstones, which are granite stones that came to Colonial Williamsburg from a quarry in North Carolina. And here is where you find the mill machinery. The large gear is called the brake wheel, which powers the lantern gear, which turns the stones. Corn would be put in this hopper, where it would slowly allow corn kernels to come down this chute called the shoe, where it would be dropped in the hole of the top runner stone, where the corn would be crushed and ground and forced out to the perimeter of the stones through the gap between them. As the corn comes out between the stones, it would be forced down the spout that I showed you on the first floor. This is the brake arm I was telling you about. This is what the rope is attached to down on the ground. When you pull on that rope, it lifts this arm, which takes the brake off the gear. And if we had a good wind, the lantern gear would turn, and the stones would turn, and corn would be ground. Here's a better look of the whole group of machinery. And come back down to the first floor. the bottom of the stones here. Thank you very much for taking time to watch this tour of our mill, and hope to talk to you again soon.